you fold it like this into 2, then you fold it again like so, 12.5 inches, and move this side of the tape and mark 12.5 inches. So that it will not move from the position, you pin it down. And this is what we have here. Before you sew the gather, you measure from this place to this place 12 inches. This very space I'm not going to sew gather here, 12 inches. This place I will start the gather from here. I'll start it from here where I marked. You can notch it, but I don't want to notch it now. I will sew it from here. Let me pin it. I'll gather it round from there and I will stop it here. If you want to sew gather, look, this place I put it in 5. This one is 5. This very one is 4. You can see it, 4. You regulate it, put it in 4 so that your gather will be easy for you. This very one, this is straight, not zigzag. You put it here. Make sure the first gather, because I'm going to do it 2 times, make sure it's not too close to the edge, at least here. The first one should be here, something like this. The second one should be here. Make sure it's not too close. I'll put the first line here, the first gather, the second one will be here. You can see that this sew gather here. This is the place I left. From this place, look at the pin to this place, 12 inches. I will tell you later why we left that place. So let's sew the second gather. On this side, I'm going to do it like this. I'll sew it with about not up to 1 inch, but more than ½ inch. I hope you can see that. Do it like this, then fold it like this. That is what I'm going to do now. Here, like so. This is elastic. Put it from here. I'll top stitch here and this side also. I've already sewed this side. So in this place we have elastic here. So the next thing is to measure your head round. I'll join it like so. So what we have here now is 83.5 inches. So the next thing now exactly that place you put the elastic. You make sure it's equal, the elastic to the elastic. You pin this place, you hold it like so, do it like this to get the middle. This is the middle here. You mark this place. So this is the middle now. Then I went ahead and ironed it 6 inches wide. I folded it into 2 like so, and I ironed it. So the next thing is to make sure it's equal. Make it equal like this and mark the middle to both sides. Then take one part of it like so. You open it like this. This is the wrong side. This is the right side. Okay, you take this side. This is the right side. The right side is facing the right side. You place the middle of the band to the middle of the bonnet like so. You can pin it round. Then when you get to this place where you fix the elastic, you stop. Sew it to this place and stop. Then you sew this side, the same thing, sew it. When you get to this place, this is where we have the elastic. You stop here, pin it down. I'll sew this place now from this place, from here to this place. I will not touch this place for the elastic. So I've sewed it round. Remember to measure your head round, before fixing the band. So I've already sewed it here now. The next thing I'm going to do, this very edge, I'm going to turn it. This is the front, this is the wrong side, so I'm going to turn it like so. Then I'll sew this place and stop here. I'll sew here, this place now, and I'll stop here. I'll stop it here. This place will be open like this. The other side, the same thing. This is the right side, this is the wrong side. I'll do it like so, make it equal, and I'll sew this place, and I'll stop here. After sewing the both sides like so, I'll turn it like so, like this. I'll turn it inside out. Look at it. You push this one in, this one will be on top. I'll fold it in like this, round. Let me pin it down. That is how I'm going to do everything. Fold it inside like that. Then when I get to this place, I'll fold it like so. Fold it in and top stitch it. I'll top stitch it from here to the end. It's ready. This is where we have the elastic, so like this can size anybody. Okay, this is the inside. You can see it's very neat. Thanks for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe, follow me on TikTok,